This is Ravi Kiran. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today topic is PowerShell basics, and please visit my YouTube channel and click on subscribe button and click on bell icon so that if I upload a new videos, so that you'll get an alert on that. Okay, let's go to the topic. Okay, our course overview on PowerShell topics. So why Windows PowerShell is needed, and a little history on PowerShell, and what is the difference between PowerShell and command prompt, and PowerShell console configuring, and PowerShell commands, which commands we can execute, and piping. So how to piping on the command line, and how to create a PowerShell script, and how to execute PowerShell script. So let's start, and why Windows PowerShell is needed. So PowerShell is a cross-platform task automation and configuration, and it manages a framework consisting of a command line shells and scripting language, and the PowerShell is built in on the top of the .NET Common Language runtime. It's a CLR, and if any command sends, it gives in a .NET objects, returns in the .NET objects. Okay, and PowerShell history, the originally called Manode, and it is introduced in September 2003 at a developer conference, and released with PowerShell name in November 2006, officially released, and PowerShell 1.0 on Windows XP and SP3 and Vista and Windows 2003. And after that, later Windows PowerShell 2.0 is released in August 2009, and in Windows 7 and Windows 2008 R2. The more hundreds of commands has been included, and PowerShell remoting execution commands are to on remote computers as also features has been added. And PowerShell 3.0 released in 2012, and more new features and capabilities and improved graphical PowerShell tool. It is integrated scripting environment ISC. This is included in 2012. And PowerShell 4.0 is released in 2013. Only one big feature is added, that is a desired state configuration DSC was added. It can manage files and directories and registry settings, and you can start service or processes, and deploy a new software. This has been included and added in this 4.0. And later PowerShell 5.0 is reviewed preview released in 2014 as part of Windows Management Framework 5.0. It introduced PowerShell commands. PowerShell get command is introduced, and the new way to discover and install update PowerShell modules. If you want to install any Windows Active Directory module, Exchange module, or Citrix module, any of the modules you can directly download from the Microsoft, and adds a network switch commandlets, and added the ability to manage network switches, network switch commandlet. And another new command is introduced, one get, the new way to discover and install software package from web. This is a new command is introduced in PowerShell 1.0 5.0. And what is the difference between PowerShell and command prompt? PowerShell is actually very different from command prompt. It uses a different commands known as a commandlets in PowerShell. Many system administration tasks and managing the registry to WMI Windows Management Instrument are exposed via PowerShell commands, while they are not accessible from a command prompt. So that the difference between PowerShell and command prompt. Both provides a command line environment, and command prompt commands can be executed in PowerShell, and PowerShell commands cannot be executed in command prompt. So we can execute PowerShell scripts on command prompt. Okay, and how to start PowerShell with administrative privileges? You can type start hyphen process PowerShell hyphen verb run as is a commandlet. So it will open PowerShell as a command administrator mode. And next one is how PowerShell console configuring. PowerShell console can be customized to suit your individual preference settings. You can change the settings, font size, buffer size, and color settings. Everything can be changed in the PowerShell console window. Let's go to that. Okay, and let's click window, and here Windows PowerShell and Windows PowerShell ISE shortcut is there. So I'm going to run as administrator. Okay, click yes, and you can change the PowerShell console with the, so I have changed to normal to large, and font size, and you can change the layout. You can increase or decrease. So this can be done. And the next one, colors. If you want colors, the background colors can be changed. Hmm. By default it is blue. If you want to color red color, green color, yellow color, which color you want, you can add yellow color. So I think the font we cannot view. Let's have the default color. Okay, let's go. Okay, before start we are going to execute execution policy. Okay, set hyphen, you can type the tab button, so execution unrestricted. So this command is used to remote sign the commands. So click yes, so it is executed, and we can type cls, and you can come slash, so outside. Okay, now the window is clear. So if you want to type any of the commands, you can type. Before start for basics, so which commands has been executed, so we can save in one text file. So that can be start with the command start trans transaction, not transcript. So click start, enter button. So transcript started, output file is stored in the location. uh, Users Kiran documents PowerShell underscore transcript dot server name with the timing dot text file. So whatever commands has been executed, those commands has been stored in the output, and the commands will be stored in the text file. So that is a good command. So let's have command get command. So this is the first command. How many commands are available on this PowerShell window? We can verify this. If you execute get hyphen command, so lot of commands are displaying. So write, wait, update. So it's almost so many commands are there in this 5.0 version. Hmm. Okay, so we'll do one thing. Host dollar, so dollar host, so it will show you the PowerShell version. So right now I'm having 5.1 version on Windows 19 operating system. So all the information it's showing. So this is the PowerShell version, and let's go into the other commands. So if you want to know which command starts with process, service, date, time, so like that. So we'll verify. Get will be the getting the information, query the information from the Windows repository. So get time, you can see the time. Get hyphen time date, sorry, at it's now I'm typing time it's not showing. So get date, it shows time and date. So, and next one, If you want to see dir, it will show the dir and cls. So clear the screen, and these are the commands. And let's start with one command. Okay, get command hyphen noun. I want to search with service. How many uh, service commands are with the service name? So if you click, I'm getting. If you want to verify with capital A, letter star, the commands having with A, all the commands will be displayed. Starts with A. And if you want to process, it shows how many process content name is there. It will display all the. So get hyphen process, start process, stop process, wait process, debug process. So these are the commands. From this you can get the information. Suppose another one, if you want to know the command helping information, so get hyphen help hyphen, you can type get hyphen service, enter. So it is downloading. Let's wait. I'll get hyphen command hyphen noun process. We are able to see the process information. So if you want to get a help on the get hyphen process, help get hyphen help get process, press enter, it will display the help of the command. So name get hyphen process, syntax get hyphen process hyphen name string hyphen computer string hyphen module file version parameters, like that, all the help. So for this get hyphen process also we have alias. So gps and ps is the alias name for this get process, like that. If you want to verify, you can verify gps command. So it will show all the command process which are running on this machine. Okay, and you can type ps also process which are running on this machine. If you want to verify one of the service, you can type name vm tools. So click enter, it will show with the name of VM tools. We have two services are running. You can verify here how much CPU and PM, NPM handles. These are the ID number, process name. It shows like that. So if you want to verify any other, starts with A, enter. It is not showing. So I think with A, with the name A is not visible. So let's see. Explore will verify. Explore, so it is there. So it is showing only one service is running on this machine. So with this command we can verify, and you can verify with get process hyphen name explore. You can get the same. This is the ps is the alias. Get hyphen alias. So we can see how many alias has been configured on this PowerShell. So you can see most of the alias available on this. You can see CLS, get child, and help is the man. You can type to create a directory MD, and like that, all the commands has been displaying. These are the alias of the commands. CLS, the clear hyphen host. If you want to clear the screen, you can type CLS. You can type clear hyphen host also. Like that, CD set location, and AC add content, and question mark percentage, like that. All the alias has been added here. Copy, clear, change directory, and compare, copy item. If you use copy is item, you can copy the file. And delete, del means remove item, it will delete the file. Echo, like the most of the alias has been added. You can verify GPS is the get hyphen process, GP is the get hyphen item property, GMO is get module, GM is get member, and like that, GSV is a get hyphen service, get GSN is a get hyphen PS session. Like that, you have all the information. You can type history, you can type get hyphen history, you can get the information. These are the most alias commands are there in this. And okay, thanks for watching. And I'm going to show you more details, more commands on next video. Please click on bell icon for getting alerts on new videos. And thanks for watching my video. And please click on like or comment. You can add. Okay.